Magpapatuloy po natin ang ating pag-aaral, false diagnosis. Ang topic po natin ay find false, thin, thready, small, o semi. Find false, semi. The find false is also translated as thin and thready. The find false is thin, weak, and soft. It will feel like a piece of silk thread, but unlike the saggy false, the find false is not superficial. The fine pulse arises when there is too little blood, yin or qi, to fill the vessel, or when damp smoothers the vessels. So, fine pulse, pattern of imbalance, pag meron po blood deficiency, yin deficiency, qi deficiency, or mild damp. So, typical combination po niya, fine and rapid. Of course, pag rapid, sign of heat, yin deficiency, heat, fine and slow, qi and blood deficiency plus cold, fine and choppy, blood deficiency, fine and slippery, dampness. So yung pulse description, the fine pulse is thin, napakanipis po niya, no? Kaya pag pinatong natin yung ating kamay, mahirap maramdaman. And thread-like, but it is clear and straight. Mararamdaman nyo na manipis, na nararamdaman naman po siya ng buo, pero para daw straight ang pagpitik. Although soft, it feels like the fine line under the fingers. So yun po, ang mararamdaman nyo, parang may isang line lang dun sa ilalim ng inyong fingers. So may pulsuhan. So description po ng thin pulse, the pulse width is very thin and feels like the fine thread, but it is very distinct and clear without interruption of rhythm when pushing on the pulse. So pag diniinan po ninyo, mararamdaman yung tuloy-tuloy naman siyang pumipitik na napakanipis nga lang. So key points, small and thin, clear and distinct. So other translation, fine, thready. Tinatawag din po itong small pulse and is regarded as the opposite of the big or large pulse. So, opposite po yung thin pulse ng malaki, big and large. Yan po yung kanyang pulse image. So, pag pinatong niya yung fingers, doon lang yung nararamdaman sa pinagpatungan ninyo. Thin. So, indication po nito, deficiency. Kung deficient po, ang qi, blood, at saka yin. Nararamdaman din po, pwede ito maging excess kung mayroong dampness. So, in biomedicine, heart failure, early stage of shock, neurasthenia, severe hemorrhage of upper digestive tract, pag mayroong serious nosebleed, yung mga dumudugo yung ilong, sa Tagalog po, balingoy-ngoy, serious hemoptysis, hemorrhage of intestinal tract, hemorrhage due to the rupture of ectopic pregnancy. Yan. Fine pulse na po yung mararamdaman. Pathogenesis, blood or yin deficiency, falls to fill the blood vessel. Hindi na po nalalagyan halos yung mga ugat natin ng dugo. So deficient qi is unable to promote blood circulation, which also prevents the blood from filling the vessel. Kasi nga sobrang kulang yung dugo, hindi niya kayang lagyan yung ugat. Kaya thin ang pulse. Kung mayroon naman pong excess or dampness, so yung dampness accumulates around the vessels, compressing its width. Biomedicine, insufficient blood volume, reduce effective volume of blood circulation. Siyempre kung dahil napakaliit nga po, nakulang yung dugo, hindi niya napupuno yung ugat. So the vascular bed is contracted through the regulatory function of the neurohumoral mechanism. So other potential explanation is a fall in the cardiac stroke volume, which cuts down intravascular pressure and makes the small and medium-sized arteries contract. Remarks, the thin pulse is more commonly encountered in the female than male. In this case, those of the smaller constitution, a thin pulse is not considered pathological. Clinical significance, the fine pulse indicates primarily a severe deficiency of blood, but also of Qi. So sa chapter 17 po ng the simple question says, the fine pulse indicate Qi deficiency compared with the choppy pulse. So yung fine pulse po, nagsasabi ito ng Qi deficiency. The fine pulse indicates the more severe deficiency of blood. It may also indicate Qi deficiency. The fine pulse is obviously of the empty type by definition, but it may be combined with full type qualities such as wiry or tight. The fine pulse with strength indicates dampness. So kung masyadong manipis yung pulso, pero may lakas, may damp po yung ating katawan. A fine and weak pulse in very young people, so sa mga bata pa po, pag may fine at saka weak ang pulse, nagsasabi to na yung constitutional deficiency of original Qi. Yun, yung naman ng enerhiya natin ay deficient. So the fine pulse is very common pulse quality, most appearing in the blood and or yin deficiency. Diseases commonly presenting with this pulse include yung may mga digestive disease, mayroong diarrhea po, at saka may mga menstrual disorder. So, fine pulse po yung ating mararamdaman sa kanila. Fine pulse summary of clinical significance. Kung mayroong blood deficiency, Qi deficiency, yin deficiency. So, dampness po kung fine with strength. So, combination po, fine and rapid. So, tandaan po natin siyempre pag rapid, may hit yan. Indicates yin deficiency, mababa ang yin, kaya nagkakaroon ng empty hit. Fine wiry indicates, so yung wiry, lagi po nating tandaan, organ na apektuhan ay ang liver. So, may liver Qi stagnation or may liver yang rising. Yung mga namumula ang mata, nagagalit, yan, fine wiry, possible po yan. Occurring against the background of blood deficiency. So, kung may mga blood deficiency po yun, fine and wiry. Fine tight, kung mayroong empty cold, occurring against the background of blood deficiency. May mga kakulangan ng dugo. Kaya mabilis magkaroon ng bumaba yung yin, o nagkakaroon sila ng empty cold. Fine choppy indicates severe blood or essence deficiency. Fine deep, so nagsasabi po yung may mga retention or may mga dampness. Often seen in painful obstruction syndrome, may mga kirot. Yan po, fine deep po yung nararamdamang pulso. Fine weak, yung may mga sobrang blood deficiency. Lalo pa pag sa gabi po ay namamawis. Yun, fine weak. Often seen in night sweating. So according to Dr. Sen, a fine weak pulse in the middle-aged person means that he or she has overworked or over-exercise between the age of 15 and 20. So yun po, parang nanghihina yung, nagagamit masyado yung energy sa mga age na to 15 and 20 pag overwork sa over-exercise. Fine and weak pulse po ang ating mararamdaman. Differentiation of similar pulses. Choppy. Ayan po yung drawing ng choppy. The choppy pulse is rough and jagged, lacks a wave, and is rather indistinct. Yung fine pulse naman po ay thin but clear and distinct and has a wave. Kumbaga nararamdaman nyo yung pagpitik, yung parang may wave po yun na bubungko dun sa kamay ninyo. Yung fine, so may wave. Yung choppy wala po. Parang zigzag. Mararamdaman nyo yung dulo, yung biglang pitik pag choppy. So, choppy pulse description. The pulse seems to be slow and not smooth. The vessel is thin, the rhythm is irregular, in force and in fullness. Yan, na-explain na po natin yun nun, Traditional description, the feeling of pulse is uneven and sluggish, like that of scraping bamboo with a little knife. So ang key points are smooth, short and mutable. changes rapidly, both in rate and strength. At the translation po, rap, hesitant, and sluggish. Yan po yung pulse image. Ibig sabihin, yung choppy pulse, pipitik, then parang hihina, pipitik ng ilang pitik, hindi magkakapareho po yung pagpitik. Minsan isa, hihina, then pitik ng tatlong malakas, then mawawala uli, hihina. Then pwedeng apat uli, then hihina. Yun po yung image ng choppy pulse. So yung quality niya yun, rap shape. So indication po, excess syndrome. Chop and forceful, yung may mga chi and blood stagnation po yan. Yung may food stagnation, saka may phlegm retention. Ang deficiency syndrome naman, choppy and forceless. So, ito yung mga kulang po sa blood din, blood deficiency. Essence deficiency, threatened abortion. Yung may mga seminal emission, yung mga nilalabasan po ng tamod, ng basta na lang. So, ang biomedical po dito, yung may mga arteriosclerosis, hyperlipidemia, severe vomiting, and diarrhea. Saka yung may mga chronic cor pulmonale and polycythemia vera. Yung mga sakit po sa puso. So, pathogenesis, yung excess pathogen po ay nagbablock yung mga sanhi ng sakit. Binablock po yung vessel natin. Kaya nagkakaroon ng impaired circulation of blood. Hindi maayos yung pag-sirkula ng dugo dahil binablock ng mga pathogens. So pag sa deficiency syndrome naman, blood and body fluid deficiencies cannot fill up the vessels, which lead to an uneven flow of chi and blood in the vessel. So kulang po yung dugo at saka yung fluido ng katawan, kaya hindi napupuno yung mga ugat natin. Kaya nagkakaroon po siya ng choppy pulse. Biomedical, any mechanism that lead to an increase in blood viscosity, which result in an increase in blood adhering to the vascular wall, which increases friction and causes deceleration of blood flow. Yun po yung nangyari. Kaya nagkakaroon ng choppy pulse. Next is minute. The minute pulse is nothing but an extreme case of fine pulse. Mas maliit, mas manipis kaysa dun sa fine pulse. So it is simply thinner than the fine pulse. Yun po. Mas konting-konti, sobrang hina. Next is faint pulse. Description po ay, the vessel is extremely thin and forceless. Seem to be felt and then not felt. When pressing deeply, the vessel and pulse become vague. So, key points, thin, forceless, and vague. Other translation, minute. Okay po. Sobrang nipis, sobrang liit. Manipis po pag pinatong niyo ang kamay niyo, konting-konting tintig yung nararamdaman niyo. Yun. So, yung quality niya, forceless. Walang lakas. Yan. Then, pag pinatong niyo ang kamay niyo, hindi niyo mararamdaman sa mga gilid ng fingers. Doon lang sa gitna, doon sa fingers lang niyo kung saan niyo pinwesto yung kamay. Sa may pulsuhan. Indication, pag yin-yang chi or blood deficiency syndrome. So, yung biomedicine po nito, yung may mga sobrang pagsusuka, severe vomiting, tapos yung sobrang nagpapawis at yung mga sobrang nawala na ng dugo, blood loss. Pathogenesis, the faint pulse is a sign of chi and blood deficiency. The chi and blood are too weak to fill up and drive the pulse. So it is a sign of decline. If the pulse sensation is lost at the superficial depth, this indicates yang is in decline. So ibig sabihin po, sobrang nang hina, wala na sa level yung yang ng katawan. Sobrang nang baba. If heavy pressure causes the pulse to be lost, pag diniinan mo, lalong nawala. So ang ibig sabihin po nun ay exhaustion of yin. Parang yung may another term po dyan, yung sa amin nung tinuro, yung bangpusyang. Ibig sabihin, sobrang wala na sa level, napakababa na po yung yin and yang ng katawan. Bangpush yin and yang. So, yan po yung faint pulse. Next is weak. The weak pulse is softer and less well-defined than the fine pulse. It is also missing at the superficial level. So hindi mo mararamdaman sa ibabaw ang weak pulse. Whereas the fine pulse can be felt at the superficial level. Yung pagkakaiba nila, yung weak pulse na hindi mo mararamdaman sa superficial, while the fine pulse nararamdaman mo sa superficial level. Ito yung mga pulso na mapanganib. So, frail pulse, ulitin po natin. The pulse is forceless, deep and thin. It can only be felt on the depth by pressing. If the more pressure is applied, the pulse is lost. Nawawala na siya pag tinin mo. So, key points, deep, thin, and forceless. Translation, weak. Pulse image, yan po yung frail pulse. Pulse quality. Strength, light, medium to heavy, forceless po yan. Yan. Thin. Ibig sabihin din po, pag pinato nyo ang inyong finger sa pulsuhan, hindi nyo mararamdaman sa pagminob nyo ng proximal and distal. So, kailangan lang yung idiin para maramdaman nyo ang frail pulse, nasa deep level siya. So, indication po nito, yin-yang or Qi or blood deficiency syndrome. The frail pulse pathogenesis is a sign of Qi and blood deficiency. The Qi and blood are too weak to feel and drive the pulse, so it is a sign of decline. If the pulse sensation is lost at the superficial level, this indicates that the yang is declined. So kung hindi mo na raw pumaramdaman sa ibabaw, masyado nang mababa yung yang ng ating katawan. Pag diniinan mo naman, if heavy pressure causes the pulse to be lost at nawala, nagsasabi po ito na wala na rin, exhaustion of yin na rin. Sobrang hina. So, biomedicine, yung may severe vomiting, yung sobrang may pamamawis, profuse sweating, or blood loss can cause this condition. Energy talaga halos wala na, yung pati blood. So, yan po yung frail pulse. Sabi nga natin, ito yung mga pulsong delikado. So, clinical significance and exposition according to this physician. So, pag prone position po, ang naramdaman niyo yung frail pulse, siya ay may chronic vomiting. Pag middle position, abdominal distension. Siyempre, andun yung stomach and spleen, ano? Kaya, stomach and spleen deficiency. Pag rear position, pwede pong cold in the lower burner or may diarrhea or nocturial emission. Siyempre, involved yan ang kidney. Mamahala sa ating pag-ihi. So, next is thin pulse or small pulse. Yan po, yung description, ano. A pulse which always feels like a fine thread, even though it is soft, weak, and without strength. So, is called a thin pulse. So, yung kanyang image. So, pulse comparison, the thin pulse must not be confused with the minute pulse. Huwag na po tayong malito doon, ano. Even though the thin pulse is wiry and fine, it can be clearly felt. So, yung thin pulse po, nararamdaman siya. Samantarang ang minute daw po is indistinct. So, yung clinical significance, so, yang Qi becomes abundant during spring and summer. So, the circulation of blood must be kept correspondingly strong. During the season, if a thin, weak pulse appear in a young person, a careful examination should be conducted. Yun. So, yang Qi diminishes during autumn and winter. So, naayon din sa panahon yung mga pulso natin. So, the circulation of the blood must correspondingly slow down kasi nga autumn and winter. So, if during the season, a thin weak pulse appear in an elderly person whose Qi and blood even is slightly weak by the aging process, it does not indicate disease, but reflect a normal reaction to weather. So, normal daw po yun sa mga matatanda dahil pag nagtataglamig na, bumabagal na rin yung daloy ng dugo. Kaya, pwede daw normal po yun. Pulses which are as thin as a thread are usually caused by deficiency and failure of Qi and blood. They can, however, also appear in the following disorder: disharmony and damage of the 7 emotion. So, causing deficiency and fatigue, weakness and deficiency of yang qi, and penetration of water down, causing disease of the loins and kidney, and internal injury of jing qi, which prevents yang from consolidating the surface, causing spontaneous respiration. So, Kun Guan Qi. When frequent vomiting causes severe deficiency of Qi, the thin pulse can be felt at the Kun position. Yeah. When weakness and deficiency of the spleen stomach cause abdominal swelling and emaciation, the thin pulse can be felt at the Guan position. Kasi andun yung spleen stomach sa sa Kun, ay sa Guan. So when severe failure of Yuan Yang causes cold, dantian, diarrhea and emission, or collapse by yin, jing, causes excessive bleeding, the thin pulse can be felt at the Qi position. Yung Qi position, nandun po yung ating kidney and urinary bladder. So thank you po for your attention.